over. Hey.
Ba yung nanal ni Kathryn? Alam ko nandito yun. Nandito yun. Nandito yun. Pack, ganun. Ganda, diba? In the photo, she's wearing grayish contacts and gray to, pero parang blue ang weird. Magpa-prime muna tayo ng skin. So, I'm using the green tea Chok Chok mist. I'm gonna use MAC Lightful, ano ba to? Softening Lotion Spray. So, matagal ko na to hindi nagagamit, pero let's try. The Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline. And ito, medyo silicone yung feeling niya. So, perfect to sa mga, may mga texture, sa mga enlarged pores, and especially sa oily skin like me. Combination oily yung skin ko. So, I'm gonna focus that onto the part na problem areas. So, today, ang gagamitin natin is the L'Oreal 24 Golden Beige. Ayan, ginagawa ko ganyan lang. And then, puti, diba? Kasi nangitim na ako, guys. Pero nag-oxidize to sa akin kasi acidic ako. And ang concealer na ginamit ko is the Kat Von D Locket number D31 Warm. And that's for my correcting part. And Maybelline Fit Me 35 na concealer. Di lang. Medyo orange tong concealer na to. Kasi medyo orange siya dahil it counteracts the blues or the darkness underneath the eye. So, as you can see, pinapounce ko lang siya. Grabe, ang puti ko naman dun. Ayan! Mukha na akong tao, guys. The Too Faced na ethereal setting powder. So, I'm just gonna use this kind of brush. Very lightly lang. And then sa nose part. And then dito sa upper lip. Para lang ma-push yung powder. And spoolie. So, first, ibabrush muna natin yung spoolie. Medyo straight yung brows ni Kathryn, and then medyo curve yung dito. Straight lang yung brows ni Kathryn. Then, wag masyadong galit. So, I'm gonna choose the middle color there. Ang feeling. Dito lang talaga ako sa outer nag-focus. Clear mascara. Ginagamit to para maging mas define. So, ang ginagawa ko, I'm taking the excess out dahil ayoko na. Gagamitin ko is NYX Date Tan Bronzer in the shade NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Date Tan. Bronze lang tayo ng buong face para lang magkaroon ng warmth. And ang aking mahiwagang hair po ang ilang. Nose line. That, and then dito sa and papatungan na natin siya ng hula. Ang hula kasi medyo grayish, ashy color siya. Kasi ginagawa ko, yung tira-tirang powder nilalagay ko sa gitna. With another powder, binabrush ko yun. Pero I'm gonna use the Tarte Risk. And ito yung isa sa mga favorite kong blush dahil sobrang natural lang siya. And perfect for morena skin. Very light lang. This is the MAC soft brown. This is my favorite eyeshadow of all time. That eye. I'm gonna go back to my bronzer. Slightly papatungan ko lang din siya. Sige ate, kumain ka na. Blend with the fluffy brush. And bronzer. I'm using the Eye of Ors eyeliner kohl in black. So, tight line muna to. That's what we're gonna do. Let's go pick extra black. Etude House Soft Touch Auto Liner in the shade number 4. Colourpop lipstick in the shade Poison. Ang gagamitin natin is Becca Opal. Finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in my next vlog or tutorial. And please do subscribe, click the notification bell, and thumbs up if you like the video, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah.